Good morning, students of class 6. This is a crash course video of chapter 1, Truths in the Forest. In this video, you try to understand the things which you have not understood. So let us start the video. So children, let us start with the summary. So this is the summary of the chapter Truths in the Forest. It is Christmas Eve 1944 in Western Germany. This is the Christmas Eve. Okay, the day was Christmas in 1944 in Western Germany. This incident took place during the Second World War in Western Germany. Alright, the German army is making one last desperate offensive to stave off defeat in Western theatre. So the German armies were making a one last desperate offensive. German army थे वो बहुत ज़्यादा वो अपना लास्ट कोशिश में लगे हुए थे कि इस डिफीट को वो हटा सके, ओके, और वो इस वॉर में जीत सके, ओके. So a mother Elizabeth Winkel and her young son Fritz lived in a cabin. A mother, her name was Elizabeth, she lived with her young son Fritz in a cabin. They had been forced there by the Allied bombing of their hometown of Aachen. क्यों वहाँ रह रहे थे? Because they have been forced by the Allied bombing. Bombing हो रहा था, means all the fighting was going on. World War was going on and the place where they were living, जहाँ उनका घर था वहाँ पे वो नहीं रह पा रहे थे, इसलिए वो एक जंगल में आके रहना स्टार्ट किए थे. To be safe. When the soldiers knocked on the door to the family door, the family blew out the candles and answered the door. What had happened, children? When the soldiers knocked on the door, the family blew out the candles and answered the door. जब soldiers ने knocking किया उनके door पे, then the family blew out the candles. उन्होंने candles को बुझा दिया and then they go to answer the door. और फिर वहाँ पे door पे जाते हैं देखने के लिए कि कौन आया है. Two American soldiers stood there motioning to their wounded man. So what has happened? Two American soldiers stood there. Two American soldiers were standing there and they were motioning to their wounded man. एक wounded man था उनके साथ जिसको दो Americans थे वो पकड़कर उसको लेकर आ रहे थे. Okay, he was giving support. They were giving support. All three were on the verge of freezing as they had no winter clothing and their feet were turning blue. All three were on the verge of freezing. जो तीनों soldiers थे, तीनों American soldiers थे, वो freeze होने के कागार पे थे. Because they had no winter clothing and their feet were turning blue. और जो because they don't have any winter clothing. उनके पास कोई winter clothing नहीं था and the feet were turning blue. उनका जो feet था वो turn कर रहा था blue color में. All right. Fritz was sent to fetch the rooster. One of the soldiers, Jim, helped to cook while the unwounded soldier, Robin, sat with the wounded man, Harry. So what had happened, children? Fritz जो था उसे rooster fetch करने के लिए भेजा गया. One of the soldier, Jim helped in the cooking and an unwounded soldier, Robin, sat with the wounded man, Harry. तो Harry जो था वो wounded man था and Robin sat with him. Bedsheets were wrapped up to be used as bandages. Bedsheets को bandages की तरह use किया जाता है because he has been wounded. Robin को wound था, he has been wounded, so bedsheets were used as bandages. But there was another knock at the door. What had happened suddenly? There was another knock at the door. Again Fritz went to answer the door, expecting more American soldiers. Again Fritz went to the door. Okay, again जो Fritz था वो उठता है और डोर को खोलने जाता है. But no, this time there were Germans. क्या कौन इस टाइम क्या थे? This time there were Germans. Okay, German soldiers. Harboring the enemy was treason and the family could be shot, so it took no small amount of courage for Elizabeth to wish the man a Merry Christmas. Harboring the enemy was treason. किसी भी एनिमी को पनाह देना देशद्रोह माना जाता है. So, due to this, एलिजाबेथ बहुत देखी, जैसे ही देखी एलिजाबेथ कि वहां पे जर्मन सोल्जर्स आए हैं, इट टुक very small amount of time to her to show the courage, and she went to the door and wished the German soldiers Merry Christmas. वो जाती है और Merry Christmas बोल देती है. Okay, they too had been separated from their units and wanted to wait in the cabin until daylight. So these German soldiers have also been separated from the units. अपने units से separated हो जाते हैं and they wanted to wait in the cabin of Elizabeth and Fritz. Okay, she welcomed them and promised a fine meal, but told them she had 3 other guests who were not their friends and asked only that there would be no shooting. So what had happened, children? She welcomed them. She welcomed them and promised a fine meal. वो उनका स्वागत करती है and she promised a fine meal, but she also told them that 3 other guests were present here, so and they were not their friends. और वो जो तीन गेस्ट हैं वो अमेरिकन सोल्जर्स हैं और वो तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स नहीं है because they were German soldiers. Okay, and she asked that there would be no shooting. कोई भी शूटिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए as it was an Christmas Eve. She explained that 3 indeed were American soldiers inside, lost just like the Germans. वो एक्सप्लेन करती है कि ये तीन अंदर में 3 अमेरिकन सोल्जर्स हैं just like the German soldiers and they have lost their way. She told the soldiers to put the weapons on the woodpile and come in, and they did so and came in. वो बोलती है कि अपना जो weapons है उसे woodpile पे रख दो and they can come in. They did so. All shared the meal. Enemies hundred or thousand of miles from home in a temporary armistice in the middle of one of the largest battle in the world history, brought together by fate. All shared the meal. सब लोग मिलकर मील खाते, सब लोग ने खाना खाया. Enemies hundred or thousand of miles from home. सब जो दोनों जो enemies थे, American soldier and German soldier, both were enemies, but they were far away, thousands of miles from their home. They, by the fate, they were sitting together and eating, enjoying the meal. Okay, by fate. After a meal, everyone except for the wounded Harry went outside to stare at the Star of Bethlehem. Just finish होता है, जब मील का मील फिनिश होता है, everyone, सभी लोग except the Robin, wounded Harry. हैरी जो था वो wounded था इसलिए वो बाहर नहीं जाता है, but all of them went outside to stay at the Star of Bethlehem. Stare at the Star of the Bethlehem. Why? Because that was a Christmas Eve. For a brief moment the war was forgotten. और कुछ देर के लिए कुछ पल के लिए जो वार था, जो लड़ाई हो रही थी, जो युद्ध हो रही थी, उसे सब लोग भूल चुके. Okay. So in the morning a makeshift stretcher was fashioned for Harry using the tablecloth and 2 poles. In the early morning what had happened? Next morning a makeshift stretcher, एक stretcher बनता है जो कि हैरी के लिए बनाया जाता है क्योंकि वो wounded था. टेबल क्लॉथ और 2 poles लगाकर उसका स्ट्रेचर तैयार होता है. The leader of the German party produced a map and told the American soldiers how to get back to their lines. क्या होता है? द लीडर ऑफ द जर्मन पार्टी का जो लीडर था वो एक मैप प्रोड्यूस करता है, वो अमेरिकन सोल्जर्स को देता है और वो बताता है कि हाउ दे विल गो बैक टू देयर लाइन्स, अपने रास्ते कैसे वो जाएंगे. ओके, देयर वेपन्स वर रिटर्न टू देम. द सोल्जर्स शुक हैंड्स and went off into the forest in different directions. What had happened? The weapons were returned to them and The soldiers shook their hands and went off into the forest in different directions. Okay, children? They shook hands and went in the different directions in the forest. So here the story lasts. Now I will give you the question and answers. Question and answers. Write these answers in your notebook. Okay? These answers are important for your examinations. Write in your answers. Write these answers in your notebook. First one. How was the advent of Christmas different in the forest? Answer. The advent of Christmas was different in the forest, as on the Christmas Eve, Lincoln and his mother gave refuge to a few German and American soldiers. Okay, his mother ordered the man to lay down their arms, following which the soldiers shared a warm Christmas meal. Next one. What was the attitude of the author's mother towards the American soldiers? What was the attitude of the author's mother towards the American soldiers? Answer. The author's mother showed an impeccable example of humanity and universal peace. She treated the soldiers like her own son. She also felt that the boys were all far from their homes, so she said them to be careful and prayed for them. Okay? So, the impeccable example of humanity her mother produces. Okay? Read the lines and answer the questions. This is a reference to the context. You will be safe in the woods. He said, he had told me. Okay? A. Who is the speaker and to whom are the words addressed? Answer. The speaker here is Lincoln's father and he is addressing to Lincoln. Alright. B. Why did the speaker said this? Answer. The speaker said this as Second World War was going on and they were not safe in their hometown of Aachen. Okay, children? These are the answers which you have to note down and learn it out as soon as the school reopens. Your examinations will start, to study hard at home. So children, be safe and take care of yourself. Thank you.